Okay, let's just talk about yesterday's match. I'd just like to say, well done, fans. What an atmosphere you created. Brilliant. And Jurgen Klopp, that fella's a genius. The way he sort of comes across with his dynamism and his professionalism. He's almost a football professor. But what have we got to do to win the league? Realistically, it's not in our hands. Never has been for a while. So what we need to do is keep winning all the time. And let's just hope to hell that City slip up or somebody puts the dampeners on them. Now I think some teams are a little bit scared of Man City. Well, they've got good cause to be. They've got a great team. But the team have been financed probably illegally um, by the Saudis. So City, if you win it, okay, we'll have it next year. We get the best manager. As far as Pep's concerned, he's a clever manager, but he's clever in the brain as well. He's a bit sneaky the way he comes out in the press, a bit snidey even. I think our manager's a little bit more genuine.